In today's video, I will show you how to colorize black and white video with HitPaw Video Enhancer. Let's go! So first go to this website and download the Video Enhancer tool free, or you just click the link in the description and free to get it. Then launch it. Just input your video here, and there are many AI video upscaler on the right, so you can see the most suitable one to apply in your video. And here we choose the Colorize model. It's perfect for colorized black and white video. We set up the export setting. And then click the preview effect to have a check. Just wait a moment. And you can see the colors are very natural. The colors of the houses and the river are very natural, and there is a sense of history. The effect is beyond my imagination. What do you think of the effect? Leave a comment and you can get a chance to use it for free. See you in the next video.